welcome back to my channel. Oh my god, long time no freaking see. This feels so weird to vlog. I've been so busy, I just haven't even vlogged. So let's start it up again. I'm headed to the gym. It is Wednesday morning. It's 7:02 and I'll catch up with you in a little bit because I need to just like do the whole thing, go to the gym. My face is looking very pale. We're in the middle of a heat wave. It's been a time. I'm leaving the gym and it's so freaking hot. It's a little cooler today. It's a brisk 80 today. It's been 90 plus all weekend. It's Wednesday now and it's still so hot. And it's a little heat wave and I'm dripping in sweat constantly. Heading home from the gym. Gotta get ready for work. It's 8:11. I leave at like 10. I'm so excited. My mom is driving me today. I feel like I've been driving myself a lot, which obviously is fine. But it's so nice to have the convenience of like my mom driving me and Dylan picking me up. And because it's so hot, I don't have to walk all the way to the shop and like be dripping sweat by the time I get there. Coffee time. I need to put my makeup on. I'm running a little late. I've been doing my makeup literally down here because it's so hot. I'm also starting to feel a little nauseous from the heat, which keeps happening. So that's cute. Yeah, can't wait for it to break. Alright, so reasons I should use the tripod Dylan got me. Wait, isn't it right here? No, I put it somewhere else. Can you please just stay and let's not mess around? Coffee time. It's almost 9 o'clock. I really need to look at it. There's already water in here, I feel like. I've been doing my makeup down at the coffee table down here because it's so hot. I'm starting to feel nauseous from the heat wave. I can't be upstairs too long or else I literally feel nauseous. Yay! Okay. Guys, I'm really bringing you along on my morning. This is the setup. We're on the coffee table. Can't turn lights on. I turned that light on for you for that clip. Haven't turned those on in a minute because it's too hot. So we're gonna do very light makeup, minimal makeup. My skin's I'm already sweating, so here we are. Okay, I caved. I got the tripod. This was what you were sitting on before, which is why it fell. I need to pack my lunch. This is it's far too hot. I can't wear clothes. I have these little shorts on from Target. You can't even see the bottom. And then this, guys, this bodysuit from Abercrombie, I need it in every single color. It's the best bodysuit. I have bigger boobs, so like I can't wear a lot of things without a bra or like I don't feel comfortable. But this neckline, this fit, just, I need it in every color. Okay. Lunch. Let me put you guys on something because my boss found these and they're the greatest thing ever and I'm now having it all week for lunch. It's the Mexican style corn and quinoa salad from Trader Joe's. You can like take a screenshot if you want. It's so good and so easy. Just throw it, I do half in my little Tupperware, which, no, it's fine. I was gonna bring a smaller Tupperware, but this is fine. So I just do half of the salad. It comes with a lime. I should have extra lime just to like, okay. And then you just dump it in. Get all that quinoa. This is the other half from yesterday. It comes with a little dressing. I do that, and then I'll do some salsa. It's so good. Normally I would add extra lettuce to it, but we don't have any, so we'll not be doing that. We have salad for the main lunch. We have a Go Macro bar, the Everlasting Joy. This is like melty. For a snack, like a substantial snack, I'm gonna do some grapes, a nectarine. I have so many blueberries. I'm gonna just dive into these now because I have a whole other carton. I might pack some blueberries and a banana as well. This is the full rundown. I feel like all I eat in the summer is fruit. So we have our salad, our Go Macro bar, my huge bag with my grapes in it because we're out of Ziploc little bags. And I know I should get reusable ones, but right now we don't have a dishwasher, so I just feel like it would get gross and I wouldn't be able to wash in the dishwasher, and that's just like a whole rant, but like, I know. But this is what we have right now. I have another thing of fruit. It's a nectarine, raspberries, and blueberries, and then this huge banana. So that should be enough. Like yesterday I had this around like 11, and I'll have like my lunch around 12:30 or 1. Probably this around like 2:33, 4, and then if I'm really starving before I come home, I'll have this. So if you were curious, that's my eating routine. And now I'm gonna make a smoothie. My mom should be here in like a half hour. I almost knocked over my whole smoothie. Probably would have cried. I'm gonna go sit in our AC room and chill for a second because I have like 5 to 10 minutes till my mom gets here. Cheers. Good morning. Yay. Okay, I changed my top. I just wasn't vibing with the color scheme. I don't know. I'm really pale right now, so yeah. My mom's here. I'm literally running out the door. Okay. I smell like a dryer sheet. Hello, Mumsy.
Hello.
Oh my god, it feels so good in here. It's in our bedroom. It's not awful. It's just not
Your
great.
air conditioner work?
Kind of.
How did it go with the girls? Did they die out in the living room?
No, we put the air mattress. We put our bed all the way against the dresser and put it on the floor. They're amazing. They just make your lips look like you put a little bit of lip gloss on my lips. That is something that I've actually used in makeup videos or in like getting ready. This is one of my favorites. I bought this one recently and I've been using it. Favorites video is this hyaluronic acid 2% morning and night, and I can't speak higher of this product. Moisturizer, sorry. I can't think right now. I've seen just makes my skin look so much better. Hi guys, it's a few days later and yeah, now it's Friday. But I just like didn't vlog yesterday. You know what? I'm not gonna make excuses. It's Friday, it is 9:20. I work at 10:30. I have a few minutes, so I'm going to make our grocery list for this week. Dylan does the grocery shopping on Saturdays. Also, the heat wave is over. It's like cold. Like our windows are open and it's cold and it feels so good. I have jeans on. Like, it does not feel like summer, and it's a really darn shame that we're going the 4th of July weekend and it's gonna be freezing, but at least it's not 100 million degrees. So yeah, I'm going to do our little grocery list. I usually plan it by like what we're doing that week. So I know on Sunday we're going to a cookout, so we probably won't do like dinner. We'll just like, Dylan and I's thing is like if we eat like a big meal for lunch, it's like we're gonna do like toast or cereal or just like free-for-all for dinner. Like there's no plan. Monday we're going to my mom's, so I'm just gonna fill this in and then make my smoothie and go to work. I don't love my look today, guys. It's Friday and I don't feel like doing anything with my life. I'm just like, is this a cute look? I feel like claw clips either look good or bad on me. Depends on the day. So. You guys, I just was crying at 9:30 a.m. on a Friday because I opened Facebook and my dad had written this really long, cute post for me. And I can't even read it to you because I will start crying again. But oh my gosh, maybe I'll put a screenshot of it here. My dad doesn't use Facebook. He's not like this. He was like, wait, should I have not put that for everyone to see? Because he like doesn't know Facebook very well. But oh my god, and he posted pictures. And my heart is so... Oh my gosh, I put it on my story and people are responding to it. It's so cute. Oh my god. But now I'm gonna be late. I need to go make my smoothie. I called him and I was like, why are you making me cry on I was like, why are you making me cry at 9:30 on a Friday? Want to explain? And he was like, oh, I was just reading some and I wanted to write the same thing. I spent like a half hour doing it. Like, and he came to visit me at work yesterday and he and the bottom he's like, PS, I'm not dying. He was like, I didn't want you to think I was dying because I came to visit you at work and now I'm doing this. He's like, I'm just really bored. Like, okay. And I was like, how am I ever gonna do a father-daughter dance at my wedding with you because it's too sad. Then we came up with a really good idea, but I'm not getting married, so hold the phone on that. But my heart, I need to go make my smoothie and go to work, but I will catch up with you guys later because I'm gonna do a whole like self-care me night and it's gonna be amazing. Okay, I'm leaving the shop now. It's like 6:15ish. I'm gonna go to Target and I'm so excited. All of those guys in that barbershop just saw me vlogging, so that's really fun. I'm going to Target. I just scarfed down some everything but the bagel, almonds and cashews, I think is what it is, because I'm literally so hungry. It's like usually dinner time around now, but yeah, I'm gonna go to Target and then go home and have some dinner and do like face mask and probably paint my toes because that needs to be done. I'm getting my nails done on Monday, but I just didn't do a pedicure because money. But yeah, just wanted to update you. Gotta work. Happy Friday. I'm in Target now. And I haven't done like a good like just walk around Target in a while. And the apparel is just really not it today. Like it's really bad. Like why are we doing sweaters? It's summer. Confused, but I'm just wandering because I can. So it's Friday and it's me night and I can do whatever I want. I probably sound so crazy to someone listening. I do actually need stuff, so I need to make sure I get that. You guys, I'm obsessed with this chair. It's so cute. This is also really cute next to it. It really adds the perfect touch. I'm just literally wandering. I need a soap dispenser. But I just love all this. Oh, see, this is much cuter. So cute. Also, I need to start looking for a birthday present for my mom. I don't think any of this is really something she would want. Okay, small Target haul. Granted, it was $100. I didn't get anything that's that exciting. I'm also starving, so we need to hurry this along. Vital Proteins Collagen Peptides. Stephanie was telling me about this, and I've heard about it for like years. But I've been doing smoothies in the morning, so I thought I would add this to it because A, protein, and B, you lose, after you turn 25, you start losing like some oddly high percentage of your collagen per year. So we gotta keep that collagen pumping. Mini Cliff Bars, because you already know. Sponges, not exciting. Sandwich bags, not exciting. Little dish scrubber, not exciting. Gloves to wash the dishes, not exciting. Got a notebook for work. It just says, be a nice human. This was literally as cute as it got. It was a tough time. I got some naproxen sodium, this stuff. My doctor told me to take it during my period when I get headaches because they're really bad. I got some soap, not exciting, and I got some floss. Not the kind I wanted and not exciting. And dry shampoo. That's it. I need to go put it all away and eat something. This is Friday night, having the house to yourself vibes. Let's close that, thank you. I'm gonna get a glass of wine. These are my wine glasses that I got from Crate & Barrel, and I'm obsessed with them. I don't use them enough. I'm going to open up some Trader Joe's wine. Okay. I'm gonna heat up some fajitas. We're gonna have ourselves a night. Guys, I have fajitas. I'm gonna put some salsa and dig in. I don't like it when it's juicy though. A lot of salsa. And watch a YouTube video and just relax. Couldn't be more excited. Okay guys. Wow, I can't take myself seriously. Had my fajitas, put on a face mask. I'm going to, it's 8:30 now. I'm gonna relax, enjoy the rest of my night. Thank you guys so much for watching. I will get back to the vlog game soon, I promise. Subscribe down below. I'll see you next week. Hopefully. Sorry I was gone for so long. Love you. Subscribe. Bye.